Welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today let's prepare crispy rava fried mackerels. So I have 4 fresh mackerels here which I have cleaned by removing its scales, cutting its tail, fins and cleaning the gut. Make some slashes on both the sides of the fish and then wash it thoroughly and drain it. To make the marinade in a bowl, add Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, salt, lemon juice, kokum water, ginger garlic paste. Mix well and make a smooth paste. Apply the masala all over the fish and let it rest for around 30 to 40 minutes. For the coating, take semolina, turmeric powder and red chili powder in a plate and mix well. Once the fish is nicely marinated, coat it with semolina. Heat oil in a pan, and once the oil is hot enough, add the fish in the pan. Fry the fish for 5 to 10 minutes on each side till it gets a nice crispy coating, and then turn it and fry on the other side for more 5 to 10 minutes. Serve the fish hot with some salad or fish curry rice. If you like this recipe, kindly hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos.